Wish you a very happy new year in advance. I am your host Surya and I welcome you all to our channel Understand Children. Today we'll be discussing on the topic why children snatch things from their friends. Now to talk about the facts, this is a very normal developmental process and children tend to acquire things from their friends without understanding the feeling of their friends. They have got a very limited language skills, so that whatever they want, they try to snatch it. With this process, they tend to bite things, they try to hit their friends. In the process, they end up in fighting or snatching things. Now to talk about the cause of this issue, this is a very normal developmental process, and what happens is somebody might be overpowering your child at home. That is why they tend to acquire power, or they try to regain that power elsewhere. That is one of the reasons why they try to bully other friends and they try to snatch. Now, what to do for the parents? So don't force sharing to your child. Give your child time to calm down, because what happens after the fighting, the children, they never understand their problem. Though give time to calm down so that they can understand their own perspective as well as their friends' perspective. They can easily sort it out their problem, and have a proper dialogue with your child so that you can understand his perspective also. Parents to make difference between snatching and grabbing, because these two things are different and are done with different intentions. Parents to remain calm throughout the process. Whenever your child snatches from others, you tend to give it as your child is bullying. When your child doesn't react to anybody in such a situation, you try to call that a victim. So in both the cases, whenever you are stepping on with a wrong process. You should not step on in such a situation. Parents to give ample opportunity to their children to mix up with their peers so that they can understand learn the concept of sharing. And parents to develop feelings vocabulary among the children, and they can teach them the social languages like please or thank you before asking for anything to your friend. In such a situation, parents can arrange a kind of play for their child with their friends, and they can play along with them for some time to implement the rule of law so that the children can follow that, and there will be no conflict among them, and there will be no case of snatching. In this video, I will be giving you a very short clip on Puri Sea Beach, which is very clean and very attractive place for any visitor during this New Year celebrations. And from here you can visit Chilka Lake from Satapada, place where dolphins are being cultivated there, and you can visit Konark as well as you can visit Bhubaneswar also. This is a very beautiful place. Wish you a very happy new year, and if you have not subscribed to our channel so far, kindly subscribe and share our videos. This is a very good thing. We can start understanding our children so that we can make our life better. Thank you. Wish you a very happy new year.